And hello again, my dear friends. And that's a Cog Railway. Isn't amazing? And this railway is going into Vysoké Tatry. This is in Slovakia. You're going with the train to Štrba. You can take a Rychlik or a quick train, express train from Bratislava or from Košice. And then you take this nice Cog Railway, which is going 2,560 meters. Amazing, huh? And Cog Railway, if you don't know what would that be, or we call it that Zobata, Zubačka, because look this, you can see the teeth on that railway. Amazing, huh? Because it's going on the mountain. Really amazing. And you can take a bicycle, for example. You can go with the bicycle up, like you see these carriages, they actually have place for the bicycles. And then you can go with mountain bikes or whatever sort of bikes you have, you travel down. So yes, that's it. Have a great time from Štrba now, and I will certainly show you Štrbske pleso when we come up, and I will show you how you can travel with this nice Cog Railway. So that's it. Have a great time. I love you all. God Franci from Slovakia.